Hey friends, today we're diving into the Sales Performance Improvement Plan template, built to help you turn underperforming reps into consistent quota hitters. I'll walk through a real example. Use the AI prompt to generate a custom-built PIP plan and drop the output into the blank version so you can use it today. If you're a VP of sales dealing with missed quota and unclear coaching plans, this one's for you. The fastest way to get results is to start from a proven system and let AI do the heavy lifting. You'll leave with a defensible, fair, and ready-to-run PIP. Here's the filled example so you can see what great looks like. First, the problem statement and supporting data. It defines the performance gap with objective metrics like attainment, activity, stage conversion, and forecast accuracy. This anchors the plan in facts, not opinions, and sets a baseline everyone trusts. Next, the root cause analysis. It separates volume issues from skill gaps such as discovery, multi-threading, deal hygiene, or next step setting. This matters because the right diagnosis drives the right fix. Then, the required goals. Clear targets across activity, pipeline creation, conversion, and revenue for a 30 to 60-day window. It fits the workflow by tying leading indicators to lagging results. Fourth, the enablement and support plan. Manager commitments for coaching cadence, call shadowing, and tools. This ensures the rep is supported, not set up. Finally, the success criteria and decision tree. Pass, extend, or exit based on milestones. That gives transparency, protects the business, and aligns with HR. Now let's use the built-in AI prompt. You'll find it in the template under the AI prompt section. It includes placeholders for you. Fill those in with real data and context. For example, you might enter company, Acme Cloud, rep, Jordan Lee, etc. The prompt returns a structured draft PIP with a clear problem statement, root causes, measurable goals, and a weekly schedule. The more context you provide, the better the output. Now let's take that output and drop it into the blank version. The clean template mirrors the example. Paste your AI draft into each section. Tighten dates, metric thresholds, and definitions. Link dashboards for activity and pipeline, and add your coaching calendar. Now you've got a ready-to-use version for your next one-on-one HR review or formal kickoff. We just covered how to use the Sales Performance Improvement Plan template, from example to AI prompt to live version. Grab this exact template from the link in the description below. And if you want access to every sales template I use, check out the full sales playbook. See you on the next one.